To start things off, you're going to put your oats in a bowl, then add your minced nuts. I like almonds, so I add almonds, but you can use any nuts that you like. Then I added my cinnamon. For the cold pressed coconut oil as well as the peanut butter, I just added it to a saucepan and infused both of them for about 5 seconds on the stovetop over low heat. Then I'm adding my sugar, and I would have added a little bit of the cane juice previously. Then I'm adding the vanilla extract. You're gonna mix everything up together, really stir it in there, and in the meantime, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 320 degrees. Then you're going to add your mixture to a baking sheet, and your aim is basically to try to get a thin film of that mixture so that it's going to be evenly cooked. After 25 minutes, you're going to add your cup of dried fruit, and I'm then going to give this a nice mixture again to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. I'm going to pop that back into the oven for another 10 minutes or so. And voila, this is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below what y'all would like to see next. Until next time, bye.